Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. Today we explore the recent searches and recent results feature. Revisit your most recent searches in the search bar. Start by selecting the search icon. Here you can see your most recent results with your most recent searches underneath. This feature is handy if you're looking to navigate to the services you use the most. If you don't see anything here, it's because you haven't used this function yet. You can also start afresh and clear your recent history. To do this, select Clear. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.